Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to A Beautiful Jungle, where we do our growing, canning, and preserving. Today, we're going to make something simple and easy homemade butter using one ingredient. First things first, grab your heavy cream. You'll need about 1 pint of cold heavy cream. If you have access to fresh local cream, fantastic. But store-bought works just as fine. Make sure the cream is cold from the refrigerator. It helps the butter to form better. Pour the cream into the bowl of your KitchenAid halfway. Don't fill it up. Start mixer on low speed. At this stage, we're just gently incorporating air into the cream without splashing it all over the kitchen. This is going to take a few minutes, so be patient and watch the cream transform. At this point, you can stop and scrape the sides of your bowl down. You should have soft peaks forming, like whipped cream you might put on a apple pie, cherry pie, but we're not done yet. Keep going. Increase the speed to medium high. The magic happens here. After a minute or so, you'll notice the whipped cream is starting to separate. The butter will begin to form, and you'll hear a distinct slushing sound as the buttermilk starts to separate from the butter. You can use kitchen towels to cover your mixer because it gets messy. When you see the separation, stop the mixer. The buttermilk will settle to the bottom of the bowl. Carefully pour the buttermilk into a jar or bowl. Don't throw it away. It's still packed with flavor in there. You can use it in recipes like buttermilk pancakes, biscuits, even buttermilk dressing. Now we need to rinse the butter. Using a bowl of cold water, gently knead with a spatula or use your hands to squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. This is a critical step because if the buttermilk stays in the butter, it can spoil more quickly. Rinsing it also gives your butter a fresher taste. Keep rinsing and pressing until the water runs clear, which means most of the buttermilk is out. You can use a piece of paper towel or a clean cloth to pat the butter dry. Once the butter is rinsed, and all the excess water is removed, you can transfer it to a clean counter, shape it, put it into a block, or you can place it in a jar, wrap it into parchment paper. Making butter at home is a simple, rewarding process. It's a great way to make use of heavy cream you might have on hand. Plus, it's so much better than store-bought. You can even customize your butter with salt, herbs, or garlic. Thank you for joining me today on A Beautiful Jungle. I hope you give this butter making technique a try. Next time you have some extra heavy cream, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects on growing, preserving, and creating beautiful, sustainable food. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with any questions or ideas for future videos. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye bye now.